You need to watch this if you're born on the 3rd, 12th, 21st, or on the 30th of the month.
If a person is a number 3, where the number 1 rules high blood pressure, the number 3 rules low blood pressure, okay, or anemia, as they call it, which means it get cold very easily, overstrain of the nerves, emotional upsets. Women, I've noticed, under the number 3 have very sensitive skin, especially the cheap makeup. Can't put no makeup. Most 3 women I know would put a scant amount of makeup on their face. All right. 3 rules overstrain of the nerves, emotional upsets. It rules the hip, the thighs, and the feet. So if it's a woman, it's more to the left side, excuse me. If it's a man, it's more to the right side of the body. And so in this case, what they have to do is avoid emotional upsets. And these are some of the things that will also affect them as well. So skin disorders, kidney disorders too, inflamed nerves and jaundice, and as I said, foot problems of all kinds. So their challenging months would be February, June, August, and September. All righty.
Grab your numerology analysis today at numerology33.com.